So, ganito yung ginagawa natin sa MS Excel. Lalo na sa mga baguhan. So, manual yung stretching. So, stop stretching out column. Ang gawin mo, right-click the tab. Click View Code. Change General to Worksheet. So, type in this code. Cells. Then dot or toldok. Then call entire column. Entire column. So, type lang. Column. So, no spacing. Then, auto-fit. Auto-fit. Then, click enter. So, then, go back to the Excel sheet. So, start typing data and watch the columns auto-fit. So, pwede ka nang mag-type dyan and automatic na yan. Stretch yung mga columns. So, as simple as that. And kindly subscribe for more videos. Thank you.